it's me Bliss back again for another unboxing video. It's getting even more chillier, but we also have loads of parties going on around here. You can see the balloons behind me, and with parties, if you want to listen to music, what do you need? Of course, we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Really cool, and I'm going to do the unboxing for them today. A pair of scissors for help as well. So I'm going to start by opening this up. Okay, just cut this off. There we go. Cut the back side now. Some tape. There we go. Oh yeah, we opened it. It looks really good. So we have the Samsung Buds here. Just opening that up. Comes with a big bit of wrapping. Okay, this is a really beautiful case. You can also charge it from the back here. And it says Samsung Sound AKG. And these are the buds. They're so beautiful. I really like this rainbow effect they have here. And they tell you which ones are left and right. And the case is just really beautiful. All sorts of rainbow touches they have, even on the top you can see here. It looks really good, this effect. I really like this case. Let's see what else they have. So they have all these accessories. So I'm just gonna open this up. So they have some extra budding inside here. You can see some extra buds. Slowly get these out. We have one here, 2, 3, 4 extra buds. If we open here, we have a charger that comes with it. So I'm just gonna open this up. And this is the charger, long wire charger. And if we take this, you can see this will connect here. And then this will connect into a pod. These are a bit slippery. They're a bit round in shape, but they're good. I like it. I really like them. And of course, ever needed, use the extra buds. And I think that's it. Yeah, it was a really small unboxing set, but really impressive. So here we go again, just so you can see. And now we're gonna take the buds out. Really slippery. Look here. They look like this. That was the right one, I think. Yeah. And we have the left one as well. It looks really beautiful with that rainbow effect. I quite like that. It's a pretty good case. One thing is it's a tiny bit big. I don't think it can fit in all pockets, but it should be able to fit, I think. It's good. It has a small wire cable, but maybe it can get extended, I think. The good thing is they have these, which are like the Apple ones, so they can easily connect. And of course, that's everything, yeah. So we have the charger, the earpods themselves in the case, and the extra budding as well, just in case you need it. So I hope you really enjoyed this little unboxing video that I did today. I hope you're really feeling the chills, and bye.